It's been a long time. I'm with my son Cameron here. He's gonna help us. Today we're gonna make a bulalo. That was nice. It's nice for cold weather, right, Cameron?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the bulalo, we need a. Actually, we're gonna use beef shank with bones, and I have another beef shank in here, just the muscle. So it will taste good with the bones, and the soup is gonna be great. So Cameron will tell us what do we need, Cameron?
We need cabbage, corn, peppercorn, onion, and soy sauce.
Fish sauce. It's patis. Patis. Okay, guys. So first off, we are going to put the beef shank with bones in our Instant Pot, and then we'll put some water. It's up to you guys how much water do you want. For now, I'm gonna put 4 cups of water, and then we're gonna follow this muscle, the beef shank, because we don't want this to be like saggy and everything, right? Okay, so this is already washed. Cameron will put the peppercorn. Yeah. Put the water.
There we go.
This.
Yep.
Good. Good. Okay. So we are going to do the pressure cook, and then we'll put it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, now our timer is done. We will release the pressure, but be careful, don't burn yourself, okay? We try our meat and it's not enough for me. So I'm gonna turn it on again for another 10 minutes. And it's a good thing too because I forgot to put the corn. So we're gonna put the corn and then we're gonna turn it on for another 10 minutes, okay? Minutes. So yeah, guys, it's up to you how much patis or fish sauce that you want to put on your bulalo. But for me, I'm kind of salty, so I'm putting a half cup of fish sauce. It sounds very salty, but it tastes good. So let's try it. Taste is okay now, so we are going to put our cabbage or pechay or napa they call it. And it's up to you guys if you want to use the regular cabbage as well. You can use bok choy as well. And you can put carrots or potatoes, and you can put this on a rice or noodles. And there's lots of choices that you can do. So we're gonna put just a little bit for now because I don't want to be overflowing. And
siya.
Kain na.
Japanese.
Bus na!
Thank you.
Craving.